Welcome to my YouTube automotive channel. In today's video I have 2024 Nissan Altima and I will show you how to jumpstart the battery. This video will apply to Nissan Altimas made from 2019 all the way up to 2025. Also, if this video was helpful, please consider supporting the channel by liking the videos, subscribing to the channel or becoming a channel member. Now in my case I have this small jump starter which I will connect to the battery. The process will be completely the same if you have something like this, if you have a big booster pack, or if you are using the jumper cables. Okay, so what you will do here, first lift this cover up, you will connect the red positive cable to the red positive terminal and the black negative cable to the black negative terminal. And in my case all I have to do, I just have to turn this booster on and now the vehicle should be ready to start. If you are using a larger booster pack, it's the same thing, you connect the cables and then you turn it on. If you are using the jumper cables, now you will connect one side like this and then you will connect the other side of the cables. You will connect the red cable to the positive battery terminal on the other vehicle and then you will connect the black cable to the negative battery terminal on the other vehicle. Then you will start the other vehicle and then you will try to start your vehicle. But that's it. Thank you for watching this short video. I hope it was helpful and educational. If it was, please like it and consider subscribing to my YouTube automotive channel. On my channel there is lots of how-to videos, do-it-yourself videos, car reviews, product reviews and other similar automotive topics.